Hello everyone, my name is Jake and welcome to my channel on self-taught programming. Over the next 6 months, I'm going to be spending at least 1 hour every single night to learn about code. Now, I know nothing about code right now. I don't have a technical background. I didn't go to school for computer science or anything like that. But this is something that I've always been super passionate about and I've just never dipped my toes in, so I'm excited to do so. Now, the things I want to learn about are like web design and how to make an app. Those are two of the biggest things that I would love to work on and learn how to do. So I'm going to be starting with HTML and CSS. If you think there's something else that I should be starting with, I've been told Python and JavaScript are two great things to start on as well. If I don't start on those things, I'm definitely going to get there, but HTML and CSS are the two things that I've kind of dipped my toes in so far. And the resources that I'm using right now are YouTube is a big one. The course on there, there's a lot of people who have made courses, but I will link one down below that I'm using, and it's for HTML and CSS, and it's been great so far. I haven't finished it yet, but another one is Free Code Camp. That one has been a ton of fun. I'm super excited to get the certification. Not that it means a whole lot, but it's just a cool goal to go for, just to see that already. And I'm learning pretty fast on Free Code Camp. It seems pretty easy to do so far. So that's definitely probably the biggest one that I'm doing right now. And then I'm also using AI to learn as well. I'm just kind of having AI quiz me from time to time, and I also use it for when I get stuck. Sometimes I Google, but a lot of times it's just AI, like, how do I fix this? Or, if I get super stuck on something or it's taking me a long time to do so, I just kind of use AI to be like, hey, what's wrong here? What's going on here? I don't want to sit on this for hours if I can't figure it out. So I try not to rely on AI though, because I do realize that that's something that you could really get stuck with doing, and that's probably not a good thing. So I just use it a little bit here and there, just to, when I feel stuck, really, that's it. But yeah, this video is going to be super short, guys. I just want to get my name out there, get my face out there, kind of get the journey of what I'm doing online. And, maybe somebody will resonate with me, or, they feel like, hey, they want to start programming, or they want to start, coding and doing projects and app development, web design, anything, machine learning. I'm not sure, whatever, but hopefully they'll maybe get inspired by, somebody in their late 20s who's got a full-time job. I'm a husband, I'm a father, I have a lot of things going on, but this is something that I'm super passionate about, and I'm just jumping in. I'm just starting. So if you're in the same boat as me or something similar, do it with me. Watch what I'm doing. Maybe you learn something with me. The goal is to kind of see where I can go. To see the ceiling is endless for me. I'm shooting for the stars here. I'd love to get a job in this eventually. I find this very interesting, but for now, the main goal is just to build small projects, have fun, showcase the journey. And hopefully I inspire some other people along the way. I think that would be really cool. I've had this journey, or I've had this idea in mind for a long time, and I see other people doing it. And, I just got inspired recently, and I'm just like, hey, now's the time to do it. So follow along with me. Tell me your guys' story. I would love to hear it. So I'll be posting weekly updates. That's my goal so far, is once a week, I'm going to be posting one video, kind of showing you what I've learned, how far I've come in just that week's time. And what languages I'm going, where I'm going next. The resources I'm using are probably always going to be changing. So every week I'll be kind of updating the resources, posting a cool video, building projects. That's the biggest thing, is I would love to build projects. So that's what I'm going to be doing on a weekly basis, and hopefully you guys enjoy that type of content. And if you have anything in mind that you think I should do content-wise as well, feel free to post that as well. Yeah, this is a short video, guys. Get my name out there. I'm super excited about this. Hopefully you guys watch this video, and hopefully somebody cares enough to follow along with me and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. I appreciate it. Thank you.